Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in this assignment, Frequently Asked Questions, FAQ. What is this assignment all about? Well, let's survey the assignment and find out. The first thing I'm going to do is make the screen somewhat larger so that we can read easily. Okay, so we have a video about this assignment. We're actually watching this video now and listening to it. Below this video, we have a timeline and we have an assignment purpose, 2 links. And then below that, we have directions. Let's read the directions. Answer frequently asked questions, FAQ 1 through 9 below. Use this Q&A information to help you answer the questions. Number your responses 1 through 9 and post them in this assignment. Okay, so the frequently asked questions, FAQ 1 through 9 below, where are they? Here they are. They're questions 1 through 9. We have them. How are we going to answer these questions? We can use this Q&A information. We have a link here. I'm going to click on it, and it takes me into the Q&A information on this page here. Okay. So we have all of this information, and it will help us to answer the questions. Okay, so we know what to do. Let's look at our timeline for this assignment. When is it due? So we have our FAQ timeline. Submit your answers to the 9 questions by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. If you cannot meet this timeline, go ahead and email me here in inbox and let me know what's up, and I'll do my best to help you to resolve whatever the problem is that stops you from submitting on time. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow and go back into the assignment, and I'm going to click on the assignment purpose. The FAQ assignment purpose. The purpose of this assignment is to provide an orientation to this class, how it's organized, what to read, by what date, and how the teaching grading process is conducted. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow and take us back into the assignment, the FAQ assignment, and I'm going to remind you that I'm here in inbox. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to email me. No question or concern is unimportant, and you're never emailing me too many times. If something's not clear to you, I'll make it clear. All right, let's find about this class in our FAQ assignment.